Nola here in Elberta, Alabama at the Roadkill Cafe. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to Nolagent. Let the good times roll. In this episode of our beach travel guide, we are visiting Roadkill Cafe for our best southern food at the beach review videos. Roadkill Cafe offers all-you-can-eat buffet dining for lunch daily, featuring traditional southern food, along with the option for a hamburger. Roadkill Cafe is located in Elberta, Alabama at 25076 State Street, which is about 3 hours and 186 miles away from the New Orleans French Quarter. You might be curious about this lunch-only buffet joint, which offers a lot of food for a great price. Roadkill Cafe seems to be a very popular spot in the area, and they offer a nice selection on their buffet that changes daily. Roadkill Cafe is noted for their flavorful southern food offerings that also include a selection of desserts. This restaurant is one of the most affordable southern food establishments in the area with their all-you-can-eat buffet option. It really does offer a fantastic value, and they have some really interesting decorations here. So you get greeted by a gorilla and a little frog here, which is the gorilla's buddy that hangs out next to him. So make sure you say hello to these nice little creatures guarding the exterior of the restaurant. Now, as far as I know, they don't actually serve authentic roadkill here, so you don't have to worry about that. Pretty standard fare for the most part, so nothing to be too worried about, or should you be? I don't know. So definitely a lot of interesting things in here, plenty of nice folks inside, and there are a lot of community tables, so you might get seated with a lot of people you don't know and make some new friends. So let's go ahead and head on inside here and check this place out. So when you first walk in, they have the menu for the buffet each day here on this chalkboard. So we have the best fried chicken ever, shepherd's pie, green beans, corn, mashed potatoes, country gravy, navy beans, butter peas, desserts, vanilla and orange tangerine ice cream, and various cakes. You can also go on their Facebook page to also see what the daily menu will be. Sometimes this place gets packed with a line out the door. Fortunately today it wasn't that crowded, but you can see there's still a whole lot of people seated all about the restaurant, and it's a pretty good sized place. It's a big rectangle that goes all the way back here, and if you go up to this ramp it takes you all the way to the back where the restrooms are. Now, we have to get back to this buffet, as that is the star of the show where all the action is. So they have all kinds of rolls, cornbread, they also have great biscuits some days. So a whole lot of great things on offer here. That's the shepherd's pie there on the left. And plenty of great things, and you also get a salad bar with this as well. So bonus points, I didn't even mention that. So I started out with a really nice salad here. Ooh, yes, so look at all this. This is basically a little meal in itself just about, so you're not going to go away hungry most likely from this buffet, and it is quite affordably priced. I'm impressed with the affordability that they're able to keep things here with an all-you-can-eat buffet. It's cheaper than a lot of fast food places these days, and a lot better quality food. So you can see I've got all kinds of marvelous things in here. Look at these fresh tomatoes, lots of great olives, and some really nice beets as well were in there. So quite happy with the variety of options that you get with the salad bar, and it's all very fresh stuff. They take a lot of time to make sure they're keeping the food items fresh. Everything is very good quality overall, I have to say. Okay, here we go with the last bite. And now, just like I've totally destroyed this salad, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you thought about this salad. And while you're down there, be sure to check out the link to my Patreon account, as I do work for tips. I appreciate any help with that. Ho, here's my first buffet plate. I got some of the shepherd's pie, some fried chicken, and a roll. Ooh, let's dig in here. I have to say the shepherd's pie is not the best looking one I've ever seen. Well, let's see how the flavor is, and it's got an okay flavor. It's got lots of mashed potatoes in there, and it's definitely not a lamb shepherd's pie. This is certainly a ground beef shepherd's pie, which is pretty decent overall. It's not the prettiest to look at, but the flavors are still pretty good. It's not going to be quite the authentic shepherd's pie you might get in an Irish pub. It's pretty darn good overall, though, and certainly filling. And we'll put a little butter on this roll, and here we go. Nice little yeast roll. So they definitely can make a good yeast roll. It went down very quick and easy there. Now we got to dig into this fried chicken. Here's a drumstick, and pretty darn good fried chicken. I wouldn't call it the best fried chicken ever. It's a little on the blander side, not quite up to a Popeye spicy level or some of that other kind of spicy chicken like we eat in New Orleans. But as far as fried chicken goes, it's still pretty darn good. So just like I totally destroyed this first plate of food, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Next, we are checking out these cakes here. They didn't really look good to me, so I didn't get one of those. But a lot of other people love them. I just don't really kind of like this type of cake. They also had soft serve ice cream with traditional vanilla, orange tangerine, or swirl. I got a bowl of that and melted pretty fast though, so I think they could maybe get the ice cream a little cooler. As you can see, it's quickly become more ice cream soup, and it's got an okay flavor. It's a little orangey, a little tangerine-y, and it's, decent enough for what it is. Just I would like it a little colder and more solid. Now, just like I totally destroyed this ice cream, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you thought about this ice cream. And while you're down there, make sure to check out the link to my Patreon account, as I do work for tips, and I appreciate any help with that. So, the bill arrived, and the total with tax and tip was $17.56. On my next visit to Roadkill Cafe, they had country fried steak with an amazing biscuit. Then on my next visit, the menu was the best fried chicken ever, smothered pork chops, green beans, corn, mashed potatoes, Spanish rice, black-eyed peas, turnip greens, desserts, vanilla and orange tangerine ice cream, and cakes. So they have this little placard on the tables that says, "Not feeling chicken today, have a burger. Just let the waitress or cashier know." So I decided to go with a burger today, as I wasn't really that fond of a pork chop idea today, and I really wanted to try the burger, so why not? Look at this thing. So this is a nice thick patty burger. We've got quite a generous serving of fries with it, and a seeded bun here. So a nice thick patty always makes for a juicier burger in my experience. Now, we might have a little structural integrity issue here with the tomato hanging out and some pickles hanging out there, but we'll see what happens. So, so far, the first bite, it's got good flavors. It's got good structural integrity overall, it seems like. So all of the themes inside are held together pretty good by the ooey gooey melted cheese, as it should be. And each and every bite is full of beefy, juicy goodness. And the bun seems to be definitely doing its job of holding all the ingredients together. So each and every bite is having the nice mixture of ingredients that you want, with all the beefy goodness and all the vegetables, the pickles, the tomato, all the things are staying together, which makes me happier than when it all crumbles and falls apart. So this burger is going exactly the way a well-built burger should go. And I'm happy with the flavor. It's not quite medium the way I would prefer it, but I've kind of learned in Alabama that it's harder to get than in New Orleans. Overall, though, it's still got some beefy, juicy, good flavors, and I'm enjoying the experience of this burger, and each and every bite has made me happy so far. So we seem to be getting towards the end, and we did get to a little bit of a meat-bun ratio with this little piece of bun not having enough meat. There we go, we totally destroyed that burger, and now it's time to taste these fries. Ooh, here we go. So, they're nice and crunchy on the outside, the fluffy, airy potato on the inside. So, overall, these are pretty darn good French fries, and they actually even added a dash of salt on there, so they weren't totally without any sort of seasoning. So now we're down to the very last French fry. So here it goes, and this is quite a nice way to end it. So now, just like I totally destroyed this burger and fries, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you thought about this burger and fries. And while you're down there, make sure to check out the link to my Patreon account, as I do it for tips, and I appreciate any help with that. So the bill arrived, and the amount was a bit higher than usual, as I did add a souvenir to it. So the total with tip and tax was $34.24. So the souvenir I got was this groovy t-shirt, as I love the name so much here. I just had to get this. So it's a pretty cool shirt with a burger on it there. And for the price for both a t-shirt and a great cheeseburger, that's cheaper than just eating at many other restaurants these days. As an additional bonus of eating at the Roadkill Cafe, you get to do a little drawing out of a bag of poker chips, and if you get the right color poker chip, you eat free that day. So, thanks so much to everybody at Roadkill Cafe for some great times and good food. And thanks so much to all of you out there for tuning into the Nola Gent channel, especially to my Patreons. Now, if you would so kindly go ahead and share this video with any of your friends or contacts that would enjoy it, as it really would help me with that YouTube algorithm. And then if you would also look in the description box underneath this video, I have links to various cookbooks, and if you just click on one of those links, it will take you to Amazon, where even if you don't buy that cookbook, but you buy many other things you're going to buy anyway, I still get a little small commission, and it doesn't cost you anything else extra, and it really does help this channel. And then tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people.
Nola Gent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.